So welcome back to the channel, everybody. So I hope everybody's staying safe and staying inside for this whole virus conundrum thing, whatever the hell is going on. But so today I'm gonna start actually putting this motor back together. Because this one right here, Ashlyn, she doesn't really want to be on camera, but so she owns a Ford Fusion and she kind of wants a new car, but she doesn't really have the money for a new one. So I told her, you know, since I have this car, why don't we put it back together, see if the compression's good on everything, because I believe there's some scoring on one of the cylinder walls. I can't remember which one exactly it is. So we're gonna do that. I have no idea how this guy tore this car apart, but somehow he got the timing chain off, and all the way down there, all the way down here, there's a crank gear for the chain to ride on. And I have no idea how he got that off without taking the front cover off. So I'm gonna have to dive down into this a little bit and see if we can't get the top part of the motor back on. So essentially the head, see if I can't get the head back on and get that timing chain back on and all the, the guides for the timing chain. So I'm gonna get started and we'll do a little time lapse and I'll come back to you guys when we finish. All right, so what we did here is these cams. Let's see if I can lift this up and show you guys. So these two slots on the intake and exhaust, this slot and that slot have to be, oh god, it's heavy. I forgot how heavy those things are. Those have to be perfectly aligned. Number one cylinder has to be in compression. So we just did that, and now we're gonna slap it on the car and see if I can't get that chain to line up with that crank gear, and then we'll sort of torque them down correctly. We probably won't, just because I may over torque them a little bit, just because we're trying to just see if the motor has compression in it. So yeah, we're gonna do that.
Zip ties up there?
What?
Looks like you fucking zip ties so much shit together up there.
Zip ties? Holy water. Oh my god, there are zip ties up there. Well, unfortunately, you guys probably can't see me. Unfortunately, we ran into another problem. So on the number 2 cylinder, there is a noticeable chunk taken out of the piston. So I'll show you guys if you guys can see. there, where my finger was, you guys probably could see that, there's a trunk missing out of the piston. I don't know how I missed that. No idea how I missed that. But I missed it. So that pretty much means we can't go any further. So we have two options. We pull the motor, build it ourselves, or we pull the motor, send it out to somebody and have them build it. Probably gonna go with option one. It'll be a little bit cheaper. So yeah, we gotta go online and do some research. But I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and comment, like, and I'll see you next time. Sorry, I'm still getting new to this, but yeah, so we'll get back to you next week. Oh, remember, stay safe. Don't go outside if you don't need to.